Hi, I'm Kristen, and today it's time to draw the winner of my Quiltmas 2023 quilt. If you didn't see the video about the making of this, you don't know what Quiltmas is, check out the last video on the channel. But anyway, the contest closed midnight, 15th of December Eastern Time, and on the 16th, which was the Saturday, I drew the winner. So I recorded myself doing that, so roll the tape.
I think I am recording. I have found this online app. I've put everybody's names in who got the correct answer. It was 511. There was like over 600 people who entered and 511 who got the correct answer. So I am going, everybody's name is in here. It's very tiny. I hope it's going to show me a big name when we get it. Anyway, okay, so I'm going to tap to spin. Here we go. Okay, the winner, Barbara Blake Galiazzi. I'm going to email you, and you're going to have 24 hours to respond. If there's nothing else in this video, then she did, and she's the quilt's going to be on her way to her. So thanks to everyone who entered, and I'm going to send you all a separate email with a little treat just for entering.
So congratulations to Barbara. She did email me back in prompt time. So I'm going to package that all up and get it sent to her. I'm going to use my favorite method of sending quilts overseas, because this is going from the UK and Scotland to America. So my favorite way to do that is to vacuum pack. So I'll give you a shot of that. Okay, so here's the quilt. It is in the smallest vacuum bag I could fit it in. I got one of those multi-packs with different sizes. I've tried to get it as flat as I can, and it's just a case of taking the cap off and putting the vacuum, or the hoover, depending on where you're from, what you want to call it, over the valve thing to suck all the air out. The only trick to this is that at the same time you kind of have to push the edges to keep it flat so it doesn't curl up, because that makes it harder to pack in a box. So let's give it a go. You just put the cap back on, and there we go. One flat pancake of a quilt ready to go to the States. It makes it much smaller, and you end up paying a little, it's still the same weight, but you end up paying a little bit less postage because of the size of the package. So that's my tip for sending quilts long distances. If you're new to the channel as of Quiltmas, welcome, and thank you so much for subscribing and tuning in. I'm gonna have another video before Christmas about my quilts in review. I kind of do this most years with the quilts that I've done for the whole of 2023, it's gonna be. And then I'm gonna take a break for a couple of weeks just to enjoy the holidays with my family. And then I'll be back with regular videos probably from the second week in January. But as I said, if you're new to the channel, there's plenty of old videos you can catch up on in the meantime. So I hope you all enjoy your holidays when they come, and thanks so much for being part of Quiltmas. Bye.